What's up? I'm back. It's been like forever. I've been really focused on other stuff, but I will get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that cool basically every underground rapper, every mainstream rapper, ad-libs, like you're hearing it everywhere, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna give you context of how it's gonna sound within the song real quick. You hear that? Hello, woo! Hello, woo! Yeah, so it's pretty easy if you guys are looking for that kind of sound. I'll show you right now. Which one is it in? It's in 9. Right here. I'm basically gonna go through my exact settings and you guys can just copy and paste it. Obviously, first one's always auto-tune, and you don't need Antares picture free version. Crack one, I don't know, do whatever you want, I don't care. Whatever auto-tune works. And then you need a parametric EQ. Mine looks like this. Just getting all that low end out, and you know, a little bit of type beat, and then right after that there's a limiter. You can copy all these settings. Feel free to pause if you have to on the compressor. Don't forget. I don't remember if there's anything on the... No, I don't. I think this is normal. And then right after that I have another EQ. Just slight high-end boost, you know, a little bit of mid. And then right after that I added sausage fattener to mine. I just like it. You don't need this, but if you want to try it, you can. It's a free plugin. Might as well try it out, see if you like it too. Right after that I got Fruity Flangus with these settings. Right after that I got Panomatic. This is kind of what gives you that space flying around sort of thingy. And then right after that I have another Fruity limiter with the limit option. And you can copy these. Oh, I haven't made a video in so long, guys. I don't know what's been... I've been just really focused on other stuff. New music video coming out soon. Super dope. Alright, you honestly don't need vintage verb. You can just go with a free reverb. I used to use this setting without reverb, but I prefer this. So if you have vintage verb, you can go ahead and do something similar to this. I do have a delay on mine. Something looking like this. You can always play around with the timing. Don't forget, you can play around with the timing, and I prefer ping pong, but and the tone, that's personal preference. If you guys like it up here more, a little more sharp, then go ahead, do that. But hey, if I helped you out and you like the way that sounds, leave a like and subscribe, and don't remember what I'm gonna say, but peace out, y'all.